Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a cheesy and flavorful tandoori chicken pizza. Soft dough, spicy chicken and melty cheese, all cooked on stovetop without an oven. Let's get started. For the pizza base, take 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 110 ml warm water and make a soft dough. Always use warm water for the dough, not hot, or it will kill the yeast. Did you know pizza originally came from Italy, but today you will find endless flavors worldwide. The word pizza was first documented in 997 AD in Italy. Rub with a little oil. Cover and keep in a warm place for 30 minutes. For the chicken topping, take 1 cup chicken breast. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, and 3 tablespoon yogurt. Mix well and rest for 10 minutes. Marinating the chicken in yogurt, keep it juicy and tender. Now heat 2 tablespoon oil and cook the chicken for 7 to 8 minutes on low-medium heat. Tandoori chicken is one of the India's most loved dishes. Combining it with pizza makes a perfect fusion. Take the dough, roll it, and place it in a greased 7-inch mold. Prick with a fork. Prick the dough with a fork so it doesn't puff up while cooking. Spread pizza sauce. Cheese slice pieces. Some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella is the most popular pizza cheese because of its stretchy, melty texture. Add the cooked chicken. Green and red capsicum. Sweet corn. Onions. Sprinkle chili flakes, oregano, and a few drops of oil. Capsicum and onions brings vitamins and antioxidants to your pizza. Using less cheese can reduce calories while keeping the taste delicious. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the mold inside. and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low-medium heat until cheesy and golden. Cover the pan while cooking to melt the cheese perfectly. Homemade pizza is healthier than store-bought as you control the oil and toppings. Chicken adds protein that helps build muscle and keeps you full. And there you have it, a hot, cheesy tandoori chicken pizza, made easily at home without an oven, perfect for family nights or parties. Did you like fusion recipe? Try it and tell us how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innoven Foods for more tasty ideas.